The Finder on the Mac is a very powerful tool that's often overlooked. It can really help you keep your files organized and help you find the files if you title things in a meaningful way. So say you've taken a bunch of screenshots, and as you know, the Mac just titles these screenshot with the date and time and files them wherever your screenshots go. So they kind of lose their meaning and they're hard to find again. So in this case, I'm going to select the first screenshot in my series. I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to select the last one in my series. Then I'm going to go up to the Finder menu and I'm going to select File, Rename. And I'm given all kinds of options. This dialog box is worth exploring. I can add text to the existing name. I can replace parts of the text. My favorite one is Format. Format, I can completely change the title to something. So in this case, I was documenting the Google takeout process. And then I'm going to add a series of numbers after the fact. That way I know that they will be numbered in the order I want them. And I'm going to do one other little thing. After the word process, I'm going to add a space so that I have a space between the title and the name. And I can see an example of what it's going to do here. I can click rename and I have easily renamed a bunch of screenshots all at once. Check it out. I'm Bobby Dietz from Digital Dietz.